Hey everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and switch your TikTok account to public account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for that matter, first of all, what we will do is we'll simply go ahead, open our TikTok app that you have installed and you're logged in with your current account which you would like to switch to public. Once you do that, what you will do is simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon which will be in the below right corner of your phone. Go ahead, tap on it. Now what you will do is you will simply be able to find this kind of interface, including this 3 horizontal line icon on top right corner of your phone. Tap on it. Now go ahead, tap on the settings and privacy, the third option given below. Now you will see all kind of menu and the settings given over here. After that, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, tap on this privacy option that's below the account. If you do that, you will find this discoverability section, private account option. So make sure you haven't turned this on. If you have turned this private account option, you can see with the private account only users who are approved can follow you and watch your videos, or existing followers won't be affected. So as it mentioned, same goes with your Instagram as well. When we have turned our account personal or private, whenever we get a follow request, we will have to approve it. If we don't, then it will be denied. Then to stop it, to make it public, simply go ahead, turn this off, tap on switch. Now your account is public. Now the people that have access to TikTok will be able to find your account and watch your videos and like you and follow you. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.